As Jamaica continues to make preparations for rolling out electric vehicles, more questions about the future of oil suppliers and refineries like PETROJAM. The issue was discussed at the United States Foreign Press Center's Climate Change Virtual Tour, which our reporter Krista Campbell attended.
The stage has been set, with charging stations already being installed and more to come on stream soon. The players already lining up, and the government drafting legislation to support the electric vehicle industry. But what will the future hold for PETROJAM? Opposition energy spokesman Philip Paulwell raised the question during his sectoral presentation in April. TVJ News spoke with PETROJAM's general manager, Winston Watson, who says the refinery supports energy diversification and is trying to improve its operations to provide cleaner fuel. He says PETROJAM is already supplying liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, for the transport industry. Meanwhile, he notes that PETROJAM will not be obsolete in the near future, as fossil fuel is still needed in the industry. And while it's expected to be a while before the world makes the full switch to electric vehicles, automakers have been making strides. As part of America's commitment to reduce carbon emissions, General Motors is trying to make 30 all-electric vehicle models by 2025. It's spending $27 billion to do it and shipped 2 new models last Monday to retailers.
The original MSRP was around 37,000 US dollars. And the bolts that we're producing now that just came off of the line yesterday and we're shipping to Commerce, they start at MSRP of 31,000. So the price is coming down. If we can get folks in the vehicles and then they can start using them on their normal commute, I think there's less concern about charging infrastructure if you could just charge at home. I've been driving a Bolt EUV now for several months. I haven't charged anywhere except for at work, and I haven't been to a gas station in over 2 months.
And with Ultium battery technology, General Motors EVs can run on a single charge for up to 450 miles. However, it requires skilled professionals to service the high-voltage electric vehicles. It's one of the reasons Jamaicans are being urged to get training in electrical engineering and other areas of the EV sector so they can benefit from the career opportunities to come. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.